So there have been a lot of questions going around. How do I start my makeup kit? I'm a beginner. I don't know what to buy. Where should I start? What item should I buy? So today's video is going to answer that question. At the end of the video, I'm going to list everything. But as I'm telling you now, I'm going to show you how it's done and what it's used for so that you not get confused. So welcome to the channel. My name is Stella Jane, and I make content on beauty and lifestyle. So if it's something you like to see, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you'll be updated anytime I upload. And if you're an oldie, hi, hello, love, welcome back. So without further ado, let's go right into this. So for your makeup need a base. So you go in with a moisturizer. But if you have a skincare routine, after your skincare routine, you can go in with your makeup. But if you don't, you can buy any baby cream, any mild cream as your moisturizer. Then you go in with a primer. This one I'm using Zaron face primer. This one helps the foundation or the makeup to slide into the skin, especially the foundation. This one is actually important. So apply this one all over your face too. So if you have an oily face like I do, you have to go a step further and use oil control, lasting oil control. This one is Pond's. This one is really good. This is the one I use. Works wonders. Pond's. For most people that have oil on their T-zones, that's their nose, their forehead, and their chin, you just apply it. The next item is the eye pencil. I'm using Davis eye pencil. This eye pencil is really good. You can go in with your if you have a pomade, you can use a pomade in brown. But as a beginner, I would advise you go in with a pencil. Actually, this Davis pencil. And I'm always advising if you are learning how to do makeup, if you are buying pencil, buy two. One for practice because you use a lot. You go through a lot before you perfect your shade of how you to draw your brows. So then we go in with the concealer. Concealer is used different ways. Concealer is used for to clean up our brow bone area as a eyeshadow primer. If you don't have an eyeshadow primer, you use this for your base for your eyeshadow and use it for highlighting too. See one item, use it for your highlighting. That's your under eye, the bridge of your nose, your forehead, all those places you want when the heat even under your eyes. If you have discoloration, you want to cover it, your dark circles, you use your concealer for that. After that, we go in with the foundation. I'm always saying foundation is really important because this can break your makeup. If your foundation is wrong, every other thing is wrong. So you should be very careful what brand of foundation you buy, and they should test it first before you buy to get a good foundation. Then you go in with a loose powder. This one, because it's lightweight, it's used to set your under eye and for baking too. Some people like to bake, so use it for baking. Then you have this lip palette. This one is more economical because you can use it as a liquid blush, and there are so many colors, so you can always experiment which color of the blush fits you more. So you can use it as your liquid blush, and you can use it for your lips too as a lipstick. You know, you used to ombre, like it's very versatile, so you have different shades instead of buying one. Then we have the pressed powders. You can just buy the one that has those palette that have four shades, the one for your contour, the one for your full face powder, and for your nose contour. Like in one palette, one has four in one palette, so that We are trying to be economical too. Now we are trying to do makeup without breaking a bank. Then onto the eyeshadow. You should have a matte and a shimmer. And the same eyeshadow should have natural colors and transition colors. For the natural colors, you can use it to deepen your crease like the blacks, the brown. Then transition colors are the orange that you can use to set your whole eyeshadow. Then you have those pink, those baby pinks that when you want to do natural look, you can still that same palette to contain it. Then the shimmers, when you want to do those hot makeup, you use this shimmer. This has to be in one palette because you don't want to buy different eyeshadow palettes. So you should consider all these things before you buy an eyeshadow palette. Then we go in with our gel liners. I like using the gel liner for my waterline and to tight line because it doesn't irritate the eyes. Like it doesn't cause the eye to tear up. You can actually use it to line your eyes too. But I prefer going in with this pencil liner because it's sharp and it's precise. And it doesn't move. This one is waterproof. So the other one is not waterproof. It can when you touch it, it moves. So this one it's waterproof and it's sharp. It does the job. We go in with our lash glue. I'm using classic. The lash glue, you can use it for your lashes. And if you don't have those chunky glitters, right? If you want to apply chunky glitters and you don't have those glitter, the glue, you can use your lash glue too. Then you need your lashes. You can buy the single strip or like this. I think like this is more economical because like that I got it like 6,000 naira for 20 something. Then you need your setting spray. This one to set all those powders, set everything in. So that is it. That is what you need for your makeup. I'll list everything on here. Your eye pencil, your lash glue, everything. I'll write them on the screen so that you can pause and copy. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, give your girl a big thumbs up, leave a comment on the comment section. Till the next video. Bye.